How to fix silent mode not working on iPhone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. And if you're suddenly experiencing that the silent mode is actually not working on your iPhone, then don't worry, here are some easy troubleshooting guide to fix the problem. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video guys. Well, so now to fix the problem, before you do anything, make sure to turn up the restriction. Go ahead and open up the settings app from your device and then scroll down and tap on screen time. Now once you're here inside of screen time, you just need to scroll down, tap on content privacy restriction and go ahead and turn off the restriction from here. And once you're done, just get back from here and see the silent mode is actually working or not. If this process doesn't work for you, then force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. And this will actually force restart your iPhone, and once you get back, most likely problem is going to be solved and the silent mode will start working. But let's say you did this process but you're still having the same problem, then here's the last process that you guys can follow. Open up the settings app from your device and then scroll down, tap on general, and then scroll down to the bottom, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, and go ahead and tap on reset all settings, and then put your iPhone passcode, and then simply go ahead and tap on reset all settings, but make sure this will reset all of your settings and it'll get back to the default. And once you do that, most likely the problem is going to be solved and your silent mode will have started working. Hope you find it super helpful guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.